Baytown sliding window replacement is one of the smartest ways to improve comfort, curb appeal, and energy performance in Baytown, TX. Homeowners looking for Slider Windows Baytown TX often choose horizontal sliding windows Baytown because they're easy to operate, ideal for wide wall openings, and perfect for modern homes throughout Baytown TX. From neighborhoods near Garth Road Baytown TX to homes close to Goose Creek, these windows deliver simple function, clean lines, and practical ventilation for everyday living. Energy-efficient Slider Windows Baytown are a top choice for reducing heat transfer in the Texas climate. In Baytown, Texas, coastal Slider windows need to stand up to humidity, intense sun, and Gulf Coast weather, which makes insulated Slider Windows Baytown, double pane Slider Windows Baytown, and energy-saving Slider Windows Baytown Harris County especially valuable. Homeowners near Baker Road Baytown TX and Rollingbrook Drive Baytown often request low-maintenance, insulated, maintenance-free Slider Windows Baytown that help stabilize indoor temperatures and lower utility costs year-round. Baytown Slider window installation services are ideal for both renovations and new construction projects. Whether you need new Slider windows for homes Baytown, vinyl slider window installation Baytown, Texas, or custom sliding windows in Baytown TX homes, professional Slider window contractors Baytown can measure, fit, and install windows for a long-lasting finish. Many families searching for Baytown TX local sliding window experts want dependable installation for living rooms, kitchens, bedrooms, and sunrooms across East Baytown TX and West Baytown TX. Custom Slider Windows Baytown give homeowners more flexibility in style, frame material, glass options, and sizing. If your property near North Main Street Baytown or San Jacinto Mall Baytown needs a tailored fit, custom Slider Windows Baytown can be designed to match traditional, transitional, or modern slider window design preferences. Residential Slider Windows Baytown are available in vinyl, energy-efficient glass packages, and sleek frame colors that complement both older homes and updated exteriors in Baytown, TX. Baytown TX energy-efficient sliding window company services are in demand among homeowners who want reliable local help. A trusted Slider window company near North Main Street Baytown can provide product guidance, installation support, replacement service, and replacement recommendations based on the home's age and exposure conditions. Baytown TX local sliding window experts understand the regional climate, code considerations, and preferred products for neighborhoods throughout Baytown and nearby communities. Window Upgrade Services Baytown can transform the look and efficiency of a home in one project. If older frames are warped or outdated, window frame replacement Baytown and sliding window retrofit work allow contractors to install fresh, energy-conscious products without unnecessary disruption. Homeowners searching for window contractors for Slider windows. Baytown, Texas often prioritize expert fitting, airtight sealing, and precise hardware installation for a cleaner, more reliable result in neighborhoods across Harris County and Baytown. Affordable Slider Windows Baytown are available for homeowners who want quality without overspending. Many customers searching for Slider window quotes in Baytown TX or a Slider window estimate want cost-effective options like vinyl Slider Windows Baytown, standard size horizontal sliding window upgrades Baytown TX, or sliding window retrofit solutions. Affordable Slider windows in Baytown Chambers County area can still include insulated glass, smooth glide tracks, and modern finishes, making them practical for budget-conscious households throughout Baytown, TX. Slider window contractors Baytown help homeowners compare products that fit their goals for energy savings, storm resistance, and visual appeal. From impact-resistant Slider Windows Baytown to affordable Slider Windows Baytown, local professionals can recommend styles that work for small bedrooms, large living spaces, and whole home remodels. Homeowners searching for Slider window estimate details, Baytown, Texas, 77521 sliding window installers, or Baytown TX local sliding window experts often benefit most from working with a contractor who knows the local housing stock and weather demands.